Next topic of the discussion is my free molecular flow. So, what is my free molecular flow? So, in case of fluid mechanics, the free molecular flow occurs in very extremely low pressure environment where the free mean path of the gas molecule is very much larger as compared to the system characteristics dimensions. Okay, so we are assuming that negligible molecular collision and interactions are basically dominated by the collision with the surface. Okay, so in case of fluid mechanics, free molecular flow occurs in extremely low pressure environments where the free mean path of gas molecules is much larger than the system characteristics dimension. Okay, so the key characteristics of the free molecular flow is it is basically common in case of my high vacuum system or my space environment, and the application includes in case of my, if we talking about the application point of view, so it may use in case of my space aerodynamics and my vacuum chamber. Okay, so this is the key characteristics. And application point of view, it is used in my space spacecraft aerodynamics and in vacuum chamber. Okay,